Big projects require the right team. At D's Air and Heating, we specialize in Lennox commercial rooftop unit installations throughout Chicagoland and the surrounding suburbs. From rooftop replacements to complete commercial HVAC upgrades, our experienced technicians coordinate every phase of the crane lift process to ensure safety, efficiency, and minimum disruptions to your business. Whether you're managing an office building, restaurant, retail space, school, or industrial facility, Lennox Commercial Equipment delivers dependable comfort and energy efficient performance. Trust D's Air and Heating for professional Lennox commercial HVAC installations, repairs, and maintenance. Call today and see why Chicago businesses choose D's Air and Heating. Don't freeze, call D's.